Hi guys! Welcome to my vlog! For today's video guys, gagawa tayo ng easy bigo. So ayan po guys, lalagay tayo ng half cup of water, 1 tablespoon of oil, kahit na anong oil yan ang gagamitin nyo guys, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, at ang ating 1 teaspoon of yeast. Kaya mix lang natin yan. At saka natin ilalagay ang ating I use all-purpose flour guys. Ayan. So this is 2 cups of all-purpose flour. So, ilalagay ko yung remaining guys, tubig. So, gumamit tayo ng 3/4 cup of water. So, ayan guys. Kaya ako ginagamitan muna ng chopstick para it's easy for me to. Ayan. Then ngayon, inid na natin siya. So, ayan guys. Listen ko na dyan. At we're going to need this. Ayan guys, dapat binabasa nyo yung kamay nyo. So, I put water. Ayan, I dip my hand in the water. And then, just going to so, ayan guys, okay na. So, we're just going to cover this 14 minutes. So, yan. Okay na guys. We're going to put here. Ayan. Diba? So, yan guys. We're going to cut into 4. Ayan. Ito lang natin guys. Lalagyan natin dito. Ayan. So, ito naman guys. So, ayan guys. We're going to cover this for 30 minutes. So, ayan guys. Let's see. So, I'm using this medicine cup because I don't have cutter. So this is actually fine. I already used it before, and it were perfectly actually good to use it. Oh dear. There you go. And then we're just going to put this in the water. Ayan guys. We need to cook this for 1 minute. Ayan guys, as you can see, I took out the paper. And I'm just going to turn over. Ayan. So, andito na yung isa guys. So, just going to put there. And we're going to brush with egg. And sprinkle yan sesame. Okay guys, we're going to bake it. Sorry. So we're going to bake that for 10 to 12 minutes. So, ayan guys. Ready na. Tcharam! Mainit. Let's take it out guys. Tcharam! Ayan, bagel is ready. So, ayan guys. Tcharam! Soft and chewy. So, I'm going to put some peanut butter and jelly for my one, guys. Ayan. I love peanut butter and jelly. Ayan guys, jelly. So, I don't want to put too much because I don't want too sweet. And, ayan. I want Nutella. This is for Ayim. He want Nutella, guys. O, diba? This is for Ayim. So, guys, this is my it's very soft and chewy, guys. So much. Thank you for watching.